Good morning. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the Josephite family. I'm Elizabeth Paul, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, and today I'm here to give you a quick look at the academic calendar of the college. So come, let's have a look. We all know that discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. For the effective management of any institution, rules and regulations that enforce discipline become necessary. Every student of the college is expected to observe all these rules and regulations of the college. The academic calendar of the college contains relevant information such as courses offered, college committees, rules regarding internal examination, faculty and staff details, college rules and regulations, fee structure and scholarships offered, and various college activities. It also contains the resources and services of the college, the prizes, awards, and endowments in the various departments, and the college anthem. A regular working day of the college begins at 9:30 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. We have a lunch break at 12:10 p.m. You will be having 5 periods from 9:30 a.m. till 2:35 p.m. After that, you can engage yourself in career development programs, clubs, and such other activities of the college. The first bell goes at 9:25 a.m. for the morning assembly, after which strict silence is to be maintained. A working day begins in the college with the morning prayer. The entire college is supposed to participate in the assembly with due respect and devotion. Strict silence must be observed in the chapel and library and after the bell for class. Students are requested to see that an attitude of respect, love, and consideration is reflected in their behavior towards elders, teachers, peers, and others. Complaints of students will be looked into if they are presented through the proper channel. Make use of the services of the grievance redressal cell as far as possible. Once the pandemic situation is over, students should wear official uniform on the following occasions: the first working day of every month, reopening days after Onam and Christmas holidays, special days with previous notice. On all other working days, students are expected to wear simple and plain clothes such as churidar with shawl, sari or skirt with blouse. Border or embroidery work, self-print or other decorative designs must be strictly avoided. Mini skirt, midi, jeans, pants are not allowed. A fine of 100 rupees will be imposed on those students who come in non-uniform. There shall be a minimum of 90 working days in the semester. Every student is expected to attend class promptly and regularly. For further detailed information, please refer to the college calendar. Thank you and have a great day.